ragazzi, bentornato sul mio canale, miei cari. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my darlings. See your favorite girl, a.d.a.f.r.e.e.m.a.n. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit on that subscribe button. Guys, today I'm going to be doing a fashion haul. These are collections I got from SHEIN, and I want to show you guys. I want to like open it up with you guys. So guys, we're going to be doing this today. So today I have this actually from SHEIN, and if you have been following my videos, I told you guys I bought a whole lot of collection from SHEIN last year, and it wasn't chance to actually unbox it, do try on with you on, especially for my plus size queens out there, or even if you're not plus size queens, this all SHEIN has all sizes. So yeah, you can actually, if you like it, you can get it for your size. So this is the first time I'm actually opening, guys. I've never seen this. The last time I saw this was on the SHEIN website, trying to actually order it, and right now I'm going to be opening it for the first time. And yeah, so we're going to be doing this. I have my scissors here, so let's chop. No, I think I don't want to chop. I think I'm going to hold on, guys. We have 3 pieces of orders, and I want, oh my god, it's like I have my receipt over here. Okay guys, let me check it out. Okay, proceed. Oh god, hold on. Okay, this is the receipt of the things I ordered, and I have 3 orders in this particular package, guys. This package has 3 orders, and I'm going to be checking it out with you all. So as I speak, I'm actually believing what it looks like on the model by this side, or by this, I mean the model who is actually wearing it at the website, at the SHEIN website. The first thing I have here is this order, and it is called, I had to write it down so that I can remember. This is actually called SHEIN Curvy, Forte Abito in Maglia con Mezzo Bottone, Spalle Candanti Blue, and Preserver Blue. Tagali is the size is 24, because when I think I was size 24, I don't know when I ordered it, but it's actually definitely plus size. And in English, this is plus size curvy jersey dress. So I'm going to be opening it up. Okay, this is exactly what I see at the website, guys. And this is just a long top. It's beautiful, and this is actually for summer. Like, if you have been following my videos, I told you guys that most of this I ordered it during summer, and I never had the chance to actually wear it. So right now, yeah, this is size 24, like I told you, 24/26, but I think that this is actually big for 24. This is really a big shirt. This is big, like I think this is going to be like a big polo for me, like a big polo, the way I'm seeing it. So I'm going to be trying it out later, or should I try it? No, I'm going to be trying this out later, but for now, this is what it looks like. This is just a plus size curvy shirt, and yeah, it has a v-neck over here, and what else? It has a v-neck over here. It has a pocket. The color is dusty blue. This is dusty blue. I don't know if it is actually, if my camera is doing justice enough to it, but this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead to show you guys what the next order looks like. The next order I have here, okay, this is Embry Rose. This is Embry Rose. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is written Embry Rose here. Embry Rose. This is what it looks like. This is pantaloni, a camicia, a shirt, and a trouser. And yep, this is one of my favorite color. Like, guys, if you're asking for my favorite color is actually peach and ox blood. And this is actually, you can see how it complements my skin, like coming closer to my skin. See how this color actually complements my skin. So this is why I actually like this color a lot. And this is the trouser, and the clothes comes in 2 pieces, like up and down, 2 pieces, yeah. And this is what the shirt looks like. Okay, the shirt is like this. It has a peplum, in my Nigerian language is peplum. So this is what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like. This is the hand. Oh my god, this is beautiful, guys. Like, I'm going to be trying it. I think it might be in this video, or I might actually be creating another video where I actually wear it like a try on. I think this video is just going to be a haul, an unboxing of this SHEIN clothes. It's not going to be a try on. So I'm going to be uploading another video try on. It's going to be like the model versus me, how it looks on me and how it looks on the model. And like I say, all these clothes actually run from the small size to the biggest size. Where I feel like it's big for me, the shirt, but I'm going to work around it. I'm actually that if it's too big, I'm going to hold it because I actually like peplum clothes. Like if you know me, I love peplums. You know, it gives you this kind of butch look, rich auntie of Lagos look and all that. It's like this has an elastic. This band here is quite elastic, like elastic. So you don't have to fear. It has a two-sided pocket. One is here and one is here. So mind you, even though it has an elastic waist, the material itself isn't elastic. This is a cotton material, if I'm correct. This is cotton material, and I think I love everything about it because this is actually beautiful, and it has the down over here is actually folded, which is as well another thing. I think it gives it a taste of, you know, class. I love the fact that it has a fold. Imagine dressing. Oh my god, I can't wait for summer to come back because you can actually wear this everywhere, don't mind me. It's just that you can't just walk on the streets during winter or spring like this, but if you're watching me from a country that is hot, my country is Nigeria and it's quite a sunny country, quite hot. You can wear this anywhere you want to go but if you're in a cold country like where I'm staying right now in Europe, Italy, you don't have to walk on the street like this. I think you have to put on your jacket. Let's say this is something you can wear. This is actually something you can wear on, you know, occasions, weddings, you know, something that calls for a special occasion, or probably you can actually wear it to work, but make sure you have your, you know, winter jacket with it. Furthermore, the last but not the least package I have within this order from SHEIN is this shoe. This is actually Scarpe di Corsa. It's a runner shoe, very easy to wear because I really don't like shoes that have, you know, all this rope in tying it. I don't enjoy in actually doing all the stuff within the shoe. I love shoes that are laceless. However, this actually came in a gray color and it has a white sole. Let me show you guys. Hold on. This is actually what it looks like. Wow, I like it. I love it. I love it because this is the kind of shoe you can actually put in your washing machine and get it ready within the next day in case if you're going on maybe traveling or you need it or something. It's gray color and I really like it. I ordered it in size 41. My actual size is 40, but when it comes to shoes, I like to order a bit bigger than my leg so that in case if I have my toenails done, I don't get hot. So yeah, this is the last but not the least order I have from SHEIN within this package, and I think in Italian it is called Scarpe di Corsa. I said it before, senza cure, like it doesn't have lace, and I love it. Like I think this is going to be my favorite shoe for some time. So without much further ado, guys, this is all I have. Just remember, I think I'm going to be reading it out in Italian for my Italian followers and my Italian subscribers. So yeah, I'm going to be reading it out in Italian too. I actually had to write this out. This particular one is called SHEIN Cuff Taglia Forte Abito in Maglia con mezzo bottone spalle candanti, and tagli is 24 and it is blue in color. This particular one for my Italian subscribers, I've been talking a lot in English because my Italian is not yet good. This particular one is called Forte Top in Peplum Manica a Campana Pantaloni. It comes in this trouser and it comes in a shirt. So yeah, you merge the two of them together, and like I said, this is my favorite color. So guys, this is all I have for you today. I'm going to be leaving the links to these wares on my description box. If you like them and you want to give it a try, you can go ahead. They are exactly how I expected it, what I saw from their SHEIN websites. And yeah, without much further ado, we have come to the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Remember, in my next video I'm going to be trying them out. I want you guys to see how it looks on me, and you can see it for yourself before you go ahead to order. But mind you, like I said initially, they are exactly what I expected and how I see them on the website. Thank you for watching. If you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, my name is a.d.a.f.r.e.e.m.a.n, a Nigerian content creator who is actually living in Italy right now as an expatriate. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. A whole lot is coming for you this year. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.